Welcome back. Today's topic is design a pushdown automata for the language which contains equal number of A's and B's. So before designing, first write what is the language that contains the strings related to this language, or L equals to, they clearly indicate that there is equal number of A's and B's. I can write like AB is also one valid string. Then BA is also one valid string. Then A followed by B. Then B A is also valid string. So any combinations of A's and B's in the string, but if you count at last, there is equal number of A's and equal number of B's. Meaning that a string can start with either A or B also. String can end with either A or B also, but any combination, but there is equal number of A's and B's. So the logic how we can design for this pushdown automata is on which conditions we are going to push symbol onto the stack, on which conditions we are going to pop symbol from the stack. For example, read the first symbol, either it is A or B. Immediately push that symbol onto the stack. Then read the next symbol from the input tape, compare with the top of the stack. If both are same, then again push onto the stack. If next symbol and top of the stack are different, then you do the pop operation. At last move to the final state, then make the stack empty, so that you can design pushdown automata mission accepted by final state as well as accepted by empty stack. Now let's write the transitions for this design. You know, any mission start by Q0. Let's take this is the string A triple B double A. There is equal number of A's and equal number of B's. First input symbol is A and top of the stack is Z0. So I can write the transition like Q0 A comma Z0 equals to, so push A onto the stack, Q0 A Z0. This transition is suitable if the string is start with A. What happens if string is start with B? That is also B also we are adding onto the stack. So write that transition also. Q0 input symbol is B and top of the stack is Z0 equals to Q0 B Z0. Then so after reading first symbol, now we have to read the next symbol. Transition of Q0, next input symbol is A. Then assume that top of the stack is A, meaning that bottom symbol is Z0 and top of the stack is A. So input symbol is A. So now next input symbol and top of the stack is A, both are the same symbols, so we are again adding A onto the stack, Q0 A. Then transition of Q0 comma B. So what's the meaning of this one is, if bottom is Z0 and top of the stack is B and the next input symbol is also B, so next input symbol and top of the stack is are same, so we are adding to do one more push operation, so add B onto the stack, so that is equals to Q0 B. Next transition is Q0, let's assume next input symbol is A and top of the stack is B. You clearly assume next input symbol is A and your top of the stack is B, so there are different symbols. Then as for my design, I am asking you to do the pop operation by removing element from the stack. So how we can represent is, that is equals to Q0 epsilon. Then what is next possible combination is transition of Q0, if input symbol is B, top of the stack is A, that is equals to, so input symbol is B and top of the stack is A, so there are both are different symbols. That's why I asked you to do the pop operation by removing element from the stack. Q0 comma epsilon. You clearly observe while doing the pop operation, I am not changing state, I am remains in the same state, because we are doing the pop operation once the top of the stack is B and input symbol is A, and one more time when top of the stack is A and input symbol is B. So under two conditions we are doing the pop operation. That's why it is not possible to change the state. I mean, push down automata configuration is not changed. That's why we are not moving to the next new state. In state Q0, we read all A's and B's. We did the push operation and pop operation. So now, what is the last transition? We can return it as transition of Q0. Let's assume that all input symbols are exhausted. So what is next input symbol is epsilon. Epsilon, comma, top of the stack is Z0. So now you move to the final state and don't do any operation on the stack, either push or pop operation, so that we can say language is accepted by final state. Now draw the graphical notation for this design. See here, there are only two states, Q0 and QF. Q0 is the starting state, QF is the final state. Q0 A comma Z0 slash, so we are adding A onto the stack, that's why it is A Z0. Then Q0 B comma Z0 slash, adding B onto the stack, so it is B Z0. Then A comma A, adding A onto the stack, so it is A. Then B comma B, adding B onto the stack, so it is BB. Then input symbol is A, top of the stack is B, so we are doing the pop operation slash epsilon. Input is B, top of the stack is A, slash, doing the pop operation slash epsilon. Then input is empty slash, top of the stack is Z0, so we are not doing any operation on the stack Z0, just moving to the final state. Now let's make this transition is also suitable to acceptance by empty stack by adding only one transition, that is Q0 comma epsilon comma Z0 equals to remains on the same state Q0 by removing element from the stack. What is that? Top of the stack is Z0. Remove Z0 from the stack. So how we can return is epsilon. Now stack is empty, so that string is accepted by empty stack, or language is accepted by empty stack. Check this design with this string A triple B double A. See, in string there are 3 A's and 3 B's. So Q0 initial symbol is A, top of the stack is Z0. So add A onto the stack. Then next symbol is B, top of the stack is A. So symbols are different. Then do the pop operation on the stack by removing A from the stack. Then next symbol is B, top of the stack is Z0. So add B onto the stack. Then next symbol is B, top of the stack is B. So both symbols are same, so do the push operation onto the stack. Then B. Then next symbol is A and top of the stack is B. So symbol is A, top of the stack is B. Different symbols, do the pop operation from the stack. Then next symbol is A, top of the stack is B. Are different symbols, so do the pop operation from the stack. Then no symbol is there, so what is symbol is exist? Epsilon. So Q0 epsilon comma top of the stack is Z0. Q0 epsilon Z0, top of the stack is Z0. So move to the final state without doing operation on the stack, so it is QF. So after reading all input symbols in the string, machine entered to the final state, hence we can say the string is accepted by final state.